Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add your Compass card to your Apple Wallet. So if you want to add any transit card on your iPhone, just open up the Apple Wallet, and then I want you to tap on the add button. Okay, then I want you to tap transit card to add a new transit card, or tap previous card to add a transit card that you previously added to the Wallet app. Then you just go ahead and choose a transit card from the list. In this case, I want you to choose the Compass card. You can also search by location, right? The card name, which is Compass card, you can just go ahead and search for that. And then just go ahead and tap and continue. Now you need to choose an amount or a pass to basically put on your card, and then just tap on add. Okay, so choose Compass card, then tap on add, and just follow the steps on the screen to basically confirm your purchase and add your transit card. You can also do this on your Apple Watch on the Wallet app. Just open the Wallet app, scroll down, tap on add a card, tap on transit card. Repeat the same process. Choose a transit card from the list, tap and continue. Choose an amount or the pass you want to put in your card. Tap on add money. Just follow these steps on the screen, confirm your purchase, and you can go ahead and add your transit card. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.